Hey guys, this spreadsheet is all about writing down and keeping track of your bucket list. So this is a totally editable and customizable spreadsheet, and it's great for you to keep track of the things that you want to do throughout your lifetime and to check it off as you've got them completed. So it's kind of a fun thing to physically see the check boxes work. So we'll start here. So I'm going to uncheck some of these here, and then we can just delete them out. All right, so and then if we can uncheck all the boxes, we're just going to start fresh. Okay, so it says the number complete is 0 and I haven't done anything. So we're just going to make up some things. So we're going to write bungee jump. I'll never know how to write bungee jump. So bungee jump, and then say we're going to do that on the 5th. And then when you're done, you just check it off. And then once you start checking off items, this is going to say it's 77% complete or not complete. So then you can just feel good about yourself once you've gotten them complete. You can write other things, try some random food that you've never tried before. Things like that. So, and then check them off when you're done. So that's it. So I've got this as experience to have, things to try, and places to visit. So you can, add to this. You can delete whatever you don't like, and then put your own experiences as well. So that's how to use the sheet. Good luck to you, and I hope that you're able to check off all your boxes. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. Thanks, and have a great day.